Gopi, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well. Thank you very much for coming to watch our show.
So happy and relieved. First half went excellent.
Yes, the first half was fantastic. And today is the second weekend. The last weekend was our opening weekend. It was fabulous. A lot of people enjoyed it, and we got very, very good positive feedback. And today is the first show for this weekend. And today's show is sold out, so I'm really, really excited. And a little nervous that every seat is picked up and everybody's eyes are on our stage. So I'm really, really excited.
So as a producer and a sold out show, what's the feeling?
Well, when I started this play, I thought, 1942, so it should be a lot easier for me to just set up the stage and go back to what it was. We don't have to make it look like how it is today with complicated set designs. But then I realized that bringing back the themes and the flavors of 1942, it's actually quite complicated. The subtle colors, subtle variations in the texture we use, the cloth we use, and the actors' costumes, and you will see some of the details that come in the second half. It took us a lot of time. I underestimated it, but it was so much fun. It was a lot of challenge, but I really enjoyed it.
I'm sure it was. So as a producer, you were responsible for bringing everything together. What was the biggest challenge?
Well, you are going to see one of our special effects, which we've never tried in Natak. Natak has been around for more than 15 years, and this kind of special effects, we've never experimented. So we had to go back to the drawing board and experiment with some science gadgets to see how we can make sure we can get the effect we want, but also make sure that what we get on stage is safe enough to perform on stage. So you will see that. It's a surprise. You're going to see it. I don't want to ruin the surprise for you. That was my biggest challenge.
So this particular incident, Vande Mataram, I mean, we all have read it in our history books, and finally to see something like this enacted, like what was the motivation?
No, the story, like any other historical story, has multiple flavors and multiple underlying subtexts that get lost. And the story is written only by the victors of the history, the event. But this story brings out other flavors that existed in 1942. And it could be true, it's a fictitious story, but those kind of emotions and facts could have existed. And the funny part to me is that all of those exist even today. And all of those are relevant even today. 70 years have passed by and we still live the same kind of life.
Exactly. And the actors are amazing. I mean, how long the audition process took? How did you handpick the actors? I mean, they're fitting the role to the A.
No, I don't act, and I always produce, and I'm always on backstage. I'm stunned by the dedication and the talent they bring. To know that all these people have a full-time job and they do other things as their main profession. And it's surprising to me to know that acting is not their main profession. From the first day onwards, we had our first auditions in the end of March, and it's only been about a little more than 2 months since they've practiced. And we got the stage, we practiced once on stage, and they were ready to go and roll. And it's just stunning to me how they're able to perform. And as a non-actor, I'm completely bowled over and admire them for all what they do on stage.
Each and everything, right from the costumes to the dialogues, the script is amazing. It's what you call Shuddh Hindi. So what went behind all this?
So if you remember the introduction, the story is based on a true story in Kerala, in a small town called Kirariyur. And Sujit, when he wrote this story up, he moved the context of the story to Patna. So when he moved it to Patna, at this time of the year in India, there were many variations. There was a Marathi influence, and there was a Gujarati influence, and there was a Bengali influence. And we tried to bring all of those flavors into the play. And the Hindi was also very different from the colloquial Hindi we speak today. We tried our best to bring all of that, and I hope the people enjoy all the subtle things that we bring into the dialogues. And it has all those flavors, a little bit of Marathi, a little bit of Gujarati, a little bit of Bengali, and the Shuddh Hindi.
Very nice. Do you want to give a message? Why should people not miss this show?
This Natak is very special. It's our 42nd production, and by far, I've been with Natak for more than 10 years, and this is my 12th production with Natak, and I've really enjoyed it. And to me, this is by far the best play we've ever produced. I'm really excited about it, and I hope you come and watch it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, and congratulations. Thank you. Hi, how are you doing?
Good, thank you.
How did you like the play?
Really good. I'm actually here from India.
Wow, just for the play?
Oh, well, I wish, but I was visiting some friends and we came out. And I must say, I've seen a lot of plays in India, and I think this kind of surpasses maybe 80% of them in terms of production quality, the dedication that the actors had. So superb, I must say.
Did you ever imagine that you'll see an Indian play based on Indian independence
No, I
here?
did not. I did not. And I think a lot of what's happening in India today, politically, this play kind of lays the foundation for that. And it says how, as people, we have not really changed. Our fundamentals are similar, just the situation has changed. And, you know, I wish the actors all the best.
I agree. And you know, the slight reference to Indian ideologies, like Congress ideology, especially the party and everything, it definitely strikes resonance with today. What's happening, right?
Yes, it's quite similar, you know. I mean, we have a different administration, but similar challenges and similar hopes, you know. So I think it'll be great.
How about you?
Oh, I absolutely loved it. This is one of the best plays, I think, that Natak is. And Natak is synonymous with real good quality theater. So I think I was just flabbergasted with the, as she said, you know, production, set design, actors, fantastic casting. Just loved their performances. And good luck to Natak. I wish to see a lot of good theater in the future.
Thank you for sharing your views. Thank you. Hello, sir. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
How are you liking the play?
Yes, very much. In fact, I just was typing a Facebook status saying I was really enjoying it. Other people should come and watch it.
Yeah.
I'm very impressed with the acting. Even though I don't understand Hindi, I was reading the subtitles. I do understand some amount of Hindi, of course.
And is this the first time that you're attending a Natak play?
No, this is the second time. Last time we were very impressed also that was Death in San Francisco.
So, did the play take you back to 1941?
Well, I'm not that old. I'm old, but...
I mean, you know, how realistic was it?
I was very impressed with the whole setup and the costumes, and the acting is just phenomenal. Really, really impressed with the people.
What has been your favorite part?
So far, I don't know whether I can necessarily say I have a favorite part. I was so happy with the whole thing that I don't think I can really uniquely identify one part as being very special.
And now, after the intermission, what are you expecting?
Oh, that I don't know, because I didn't read anything about the play before. In fact, while we were on our way here, my wife was trying to tell somebody else about the play on the phone. I said, no, don't talk about it. I want to keep the suspense going. So I really didn't know anything about the play other than the name of the play.
Okay. And do you want to give a message to all the viewers, asking them to come for the next show?
I really, really highly recommend that you all come and watch this play. These guys do a fantastic job, and they haven't disappointed me since I saw the first play. I wish I had seen more of their plays since the time Death in San Francisco was staged.
Well, there's always a next time. Natak keeps bringing amazing plays.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for talking.
Sure, bye-bye.
Hi, Sonia. How are you enjoying the play?
Doing very well. I think it's very gripping, and it's just amazing how everybody is so much in character, and also all the lines that I've learned. It's amazing. I'm really waiting to see the second half to see how it ends.
So, did the Vande Mataram strike a chord somewhere?
It did. It actually just took me back. You know, when you're living here, you're kind of so engrossed in your daily life. It takes you away from the old India, the old movement and everything, and it's definitely bringing back a lot of those flashes.
And now, after the intermission, what are you expecting?
You know, I have no clue. I'm just kind of waiting and watching. I'm thinking there should be some fun stuff around Banwari's story, and maybe another personal motive somewhere. Someone else has another plan that somebody else might have weaved in there. So it kind of seems very realistic, you know, human nature, to see how I can add my advantage to something that's happening.
And do you want to say something about the actors?
Yes, I just think each one of them is so much in role, and I'm just sitting out here and watching and so enthralled. It seems very natural. You cannot tell if anybody's acting out there. I think that's kudos to them.
Excellent. Do you want to say a word to the viewers, asking them to come watch the next play?
Absolutely. If this is something that takes you far away from your life here, back to the old India, and just gives you a glimpse into the passion, into the thinking, into the oneness, and it's just really an amazing experience. You should come and watch it.
Nobody should miss this.
Absolutely not.
Thank you for talking to us. Have a wonderful time.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Vande Mataram, Professor Saab.
Thank you. Namaskar.
Do you want to say a dialogue from the play?
Of course, I'd love to. Here's my favorite one. समझ नहीं पाता मैं किससे अधिक घबराता हूँ, हमारी गुलामी से या हमारी स्वतंत्रता से. And in case that sounded too serious, there's another one. तो तुम 12 बजे सो रहे थे?
That was great. And you know what I loved? You were lost somewhere. You know, you were looking here and there. That was an amazing expression, and you carried that exceptionally well.
Thanks. My character is someone who lives in his head a lot. He's a philosopher and he wants desperately to make his mark on history. This is his chance to put ideas into action, but something keeps going wrong, and hence the puzzled expression at the slippery nature of the universe.
Awesome. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thanks. I see a lot of discussions happening. How did you all like the play?
We loved the play. We were actually going to say that, we should all get together and say, Vande Mataram!
We will definitely do that. But first, let's talk about.
The play was fantastic. I think the costumes were very cool. I was talking to Manan about it. I mean, the amount of effort these guys put into just the sets, the dialogues, and it definitely felt like they took us to another era or took us to what 1942 sounded like. So I was fantastic. I mean, this is my first play at this theater, so I was blown away. It was quite an intimate setting as well.
First to many to come.
Yes, absolutely.
How about you? How did you like the play?
I loved it. I think the casting was perfect. The set design was awesome. And amazing playwriting. I think everything was it just came together. Amazing.
It did transport you back to 1942.
It did. It did. Yeah.
The set, the dialogue delivery, everything.
Everything. I think it was awesome.
Very nice. Great to hear that. How about you?
I mean, what I loved was the dialogue delivered in Hindi. I mean, it kind of took me back to a time when I used to take lessons in Hindi and couldn't understand anything.
So how was it this time? Were you reading the subtitles?
It was very, very good. I mean, the dialogues and the Hindi and the era was perfectly well portrayed. So really loved that. That was wonderful.
What was the best part for you?
The best part for me was really the crazy fireworks at the end, and I think the characters were cast very well. So that was really interesting for me, and I love the poster. I think the poster is fantastic.
Which, by the way, has been designed by our dear friend right here.
Wow, congratulations. That is amazing. So tell us something about that. Do you do this?
Yeah, I've been designing posters for Natak for their past 3 plays. Yeah.
And how difficult was this as compared to the others?
I enjoyed it. I didn't find it that challenging because it's something I can relate to. I grew up in India. I've seen a lot of movies. The play was very well written, so it wasn't very tough for me to, And
Are you the one who came up with the Lagan poster?
That's the poster, yeah, that one right there. Okay. That's the poster I designed, yeah.
Very nice. And did Vande Mataram strike a chord somewhere? Dil se.
Oh, very much so, very much so. That's kind of why I've been talking about Vande Mataram since we got out of the play. It absolutely did.
Very nice. So can we have a Vande Mataram for our viewers?
Absolutely. Well, you as well. Vande Mataram!
बनवारी जी कैसे हो आप?
बढ़िया.
कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं अपनी प्ले से डायलॉग?
Sure. I'll just say it rather than give you a bhumika to it.
Okay.
खून आपका नहीं हमरा बह रहा है सेठ जी. गांधी बाबा ही भेजे थे हमको पिछली जंग में. कहते थे अंग्रेज सरकार अपनी सरकार है, उसकी रक्षा करो. लो हमने कर ली रक्षा. अब तो हम डिप्टी कमिश्नर का बंगला उड़ाएंगे. आप बातें बनाओ. That's it.
और आपके मन में चुड़ैल दौड़ रही है अभी भी?
चुड़ैल तो बहुत दौड़ रही है मैम. चुड़ैल का कोई वो नहीं है. बहुत साल हुए हमारी माँ कहती थी इसके मन में चुड़ैल रहती है. जब जो मन हो इससे करवाती है और इसका कुछ बस नहीं चलता. ठीक ही कहती थी. चुड़ैल आज भी बहुत नाच रही है.
You were brilliant. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
नमस्ते जानकी प्रसाद जी, बहुत ही बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंस थी, हमने बहुत मजा आया. So can you please say a dialogue from the play?
Sure. So this is where this is my first interaction with the brother with whom I had a rivalry for over 10 years, and this is the first time I see him in long time. That's what he says. रुचि कैया होसी है भाई साहब, पूरी 55 बीघा जमीन तो अब थारा नाम है.
Love that expression. Which language is this?
This is Marwadi.
And are you Marwadi?
No, actually I am Marathi, but the character is Marwadi.
But you were natural. Amazing. Thank you.
Very much. Thanks a lot.
So प्रभु दयाल पांडे जी, बहुत ही बढ़िया प्ले था. अब कोई डायलॉग हो जाए?
Sure. कोई अपने आप ही शेर के मुंह में सर नहीं डालता प्रोफेसर साहब. हम तो पुलिस से यही कहेंगे कि शमसुद्दीन की ज़मीन पर कैसे कैसे षड्यंत्र रचे जाते हैं, इसकी हमें कुछ खबर नहीं.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत ही बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस थी. Thank you so much.
धन्यवाद.
Hi sir, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank
How do you like the play?
I really loved it. Yeah.
What was the best part?
The best part, I thought, the writing of the play, the whole theme, and they laced some humor into the play, but they got their main message across. It wasn't biased or anything. It was a very true representation of that segment of the people, that are fighting for independence. Many of them are not successful, and this story was about those that were not successful, and it was a slice of life on their experiences. We thoroughly enjoyed it.
Thank you so much for sharing your views with us. Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Suphalam, Malayaj Sheetalam.
आपका फेवरेट डायलॉग प्ले का जो बोल के आपको सबसे ज्यादा मजा आया वो बोलिए.
I don't know. प्रस्ताव में कहा है, it seems funny, but प्रस्ताव में कहा है कि ब्रिटेन का साम्राज्य भारत को निर्बल और तुच्छ बनाता है, उसके आत्मसम्मान को चोट पहुंचाता है.
बहुत बढ़िया. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, सुजलाम, सुफलाम, मलयज शीतलाम.
आपका फेवरेट डायलॉग प्ले का जो बोल के आपको सबसे ज्यादा मजा आया वो बोलिए.
I don't know. प्रस्ताव में कहा है, it seems funny, but प्रस्ताव में कहा है कि ब्रिटेन का साम्राज्य भारत को निर्बल और तुच्छ बनाता है, उसके आत्मसम्मान को चोट पहुंचाता है.
बहुत बढ़िया. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.